Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the paper of 2021 summer variant 1-1. Okay, let's proceed towards the paper. Okay, now in question number 1, we need to solve this. So 74 multiplied by 10 will be equals to 746 minus 3.89 multiplied by 100 will be equals to 389. Now 746 minus 389 will be equals to 357. Now in the part B, we need to solve this according to the BODMAS rule. So we need to multiply first. 5 plus 3 to the 6 minus 1. 5 plus 6 will be equals to 11 minus 1. Now it will be equals to 10. Okay. Now in the question number 2, there are several numbers, that is 15, 125, under root 8, 11, root 25, 14, and 60. Among these numbers, firstly, in the part A, we need to find out the factor of 70. So 15, 125, root 8, 11 are not the factors of 70. Root 25 is the factor of 70. Okay. And 14 and 60 are also not the factor of 70, as in the table of 5, 70 will come. So root 25 will be the factor of 70. In the part B, a cube number. Cube number is, among all these numbers, 125 is the cube number. So 125, as 5 cube is equals to 125. An irrational number. So irrational number is, this is the perfect square 25. So root 8 will be the irrational number. Okay, now in the question number 3, we need to work out for this fraction. That is, firstly, we need to make the denominator same. So for this, we need to multiply this by 5, multiply by 5, multiply by 7, multiply by 7. 5 3 is 15 upon 35 plus 7 2 is 14 upon 35. Now the denominators are same. We can add these numbers. 15 plus 14 will be equals to 29 upon 35. Now in the part B, 2 upon 3 of 6 upon 11, giving your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So 2 upon 3 of 6 upon 11 means we need to multiply 2 upon 3 by 6 upon 11. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and the final answer will be 4 upon 11. Now in the question number 4, a record is kept of the water level in harbor. On morning, the level is 5 meter. That afternoon, the level is -2. It means that on the morning, the level is 5 meter, and afternoon, the level is reduced till -2. So here we need to find out the difference between the level. Okay, so the difference between, for the difference, obviously we need to subtract 5 minus, and this is -2. So minus minus plus 5 plus 2 will be equals to 7. So the difference is 7 meters. Part B, on one day, the temperature at midday is 9 degree. At midnight, the temperature has dropped by 15.3 degree. Firstly, the temperature is 9 and the temperature is dropped to 15.3. Find the temperature at midnight. Drop mean we need to subtract from 9. So 9 minus 15.3 will be equals to minus 6.3. So the temperature is dropped to minus 6.3. Now in question number 5, this diagram we have, the diagram shows quadrilateral ABCD with AD extended to E. This line AB extended to this point, that is E. Angle BCD is equals to 135. Okay. Angle BAD is 83 and the angle CDE is 122. Here we need to find out the value of X. So firstly, to find out the value of X, we can simply apply the property of supplementary. That is, we can say that 180 minus 122 will be equals to 58 degree, as these are supplementary angles. So this is 58 degree. Okay. So now the sum of this quadrilateral will be equals to 360. The sum of every quadrilateral we know that is equals to 360. Okay. So we can say that 83 plus 58 plus 135 plus x will be equals to 360. So to find out the value of x, we need to subtract all these angles, that is 83 minus 58 minus 135. So after subtracting it, we will get the answer 84 degree. So this is the end of this video. In the next video, we are going to solve from question number 6 till question number 10.